Hi folks, I hope you're doing well. This is Ashish here from channel Active Ash, and today's topic is quite interesting and very close to every parent. We are going to discuss about nutrition for kids. Nutrition is very important for children to make sure that they stay healthy and strong. The easy way to ensure that kids get all the nutrients is by choosing healthy food for them to eat. But getting children to eat healthy food can sometimes feel like a daunting task. The leafier and greener the food, the greater the struggle. I remember as a kid, my mother used to push me to have my glass of milk, and I avoided her as I hated milk. We struggle with one serving of fruits and vegetables, whereas WHO recommends kids should consume 3 to 4 servings of fruits and vegetables, that too of 5 different colors every day. Fruits and vegetables contains powerful nutrients called phytonutrients. Phytonutrients is a self-defense mechanism present in plants. Each vibrant color is related to a range of health benefits, like purple fruits and vegetables promote brain health, orange fruits and vegetables promote eye health, green fruits and vegetables promote cellular health, red fruits and vegetables promote heart health, and white fruits and vegetables promote bone and joint health. We think that we are getting sufficient amount of phytonutrients through our food, but phytonutrients gets destroyed easily due to cultivation, harvesting, storing, shipping, processing, etc., which leads to the loss of phytonutrients in our diet. Children, like adults, require both macro and micronutrients to grow up healthy and disease-free. Food grains, dairy, lean meat, eggs, fruits, vegetables is what they should consume on a regular basis to fulfill their body requirements. Snacking highly processed and calorie-rich food in front of the TV screen, skipping breakfast, drinking sugar-sweetened beverages, eating out frequently, very little exercise, and being indoors most of the time are crucial factors for increasing risk of obesity. Children are consuming too little fruits, vegetables, and other vital nutrients, which in turn increases the risk of heart disease and such lifestyle-related diseases in later life. Poor nutrition can also affect children's behavior and ability to learn. A good quality health supplement meant for kids can come to the rescue of the parent. Now we will discuss a few kids supplement from Nutralite range and also show you their benefits and usage. Please note, Nutralite is the #1 dietary supplement company with their own certified organic farmlands. Protein is the most important macronutrient for kids for their overall body development. Nutralite's Kids Drink is a complete all-rounded product, good for growing children and fussy eaters. It comes in a delicious chocolate flavor. It provides proteins and all other macro and micronutrients that help your child grow with strong bones, muscles, healthy teeth, hair and skin. But if your child does not like natural chocolate, you can give them Nutralite's all plant protein powder, which is neutral in taste, and it is the most easily digestible, versatile and well-rounded protein supplement with all 9 essential amino acids. It can be mixed with your chapati dough, dal, curd, and even in cakes, cookies or dosa batter. This is Kids Chewables from Nutralite. It's a multivitamin for kids. It has 21 vitamins and minerals along with phytonutrients concentrate, which increases the immunity of the body. It helps a child to fulfill their daily vitamin and mineral requirement and helps with body functions and growth. It is excellent for kids who don't feel hungry as it will increase their appetite. This is Nutralite's Kids Chewable Concentrated Fruits and Vegetables. Kids are usually very fussy when it comes to eating fruits and vegetables. This is an excellent option to support your kids' daily fruits and vegetables requirement. It contains phytonutrients like lutein and lycopene. Phytonutrients are helpful in providing antioxidant that supports immunity in kids. Next is Nutralite's DHA Yummies Omega-3 Soft Drops. The daily diet of children may fall short of omega-3. Fish oil supplements then may be the choice for the moms around the world when it comes to bridging the omega-3 gap. The DHA Yummies does not only contain omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, it also has the much required vitamin D, which is needed for normal growth and developments of bones and contribute to the normal function of the immune system in children. Calcium is one of the most important mineral in the human body as it helps build strong bones and teeth. As parents, we know early years are most important in child development. Almost half of our skeleton framework is built during adolescent stage. So we need to make sure kids get an adequate calcium in their diet. India ranks number 1 in the world with 48% of our children having stunted growth as per UNICEF report. Nutrilite Kids Chewable Calcium and Magnesium contains 270 mg of calcium and 50 mg of magnesium. Magnesium not only aids in absorption of calcium but also contributes to normal muscle and nerve function. This is Nutrilite Kids Natural C. Natural C is beneficial for increasing immunity. Also, it is full of antioxidants which helps to fight common cold, fever and diarrhea. Each tablet contains 117 mg of acerola, which provides 30 mg of vitamin C. Acerola is 20 times more powerful than an orange. Vitamin C also plays an important role in absorption of iron. Nutrilite Chyawanprash contains the goodness of 32 Ayurvedic ingredients like amla, gokru, shatwari, giloy, etc. to support immunity and to rejuvenate the body. All botanicals are authenticated through DNA fingerprinting. It is free of preservatives, guarantees purity, safety and potency of its herbs, and its herbs are certified to be organic by EcoCert. Chyawanprash by Nutrilite is suitable for all age group above 6 years and can be consumed with warm water or milk twice a day. Now we will talk about Nutrilite's Kids Iron. So we all know how oxygen is required to carry out our daily body functions. Iron forms an important part of hemoglobin in blood, which is needed for oxygen transportation across human body. Iron deficiency and anemia is a common problem in kids nowadays. Getting tired easily, reduced concentration are a sign of iron deficiency. Market-based iron tablets are in ferrous sulfate form, which is very difficult to digest and may cause diarrhea, stomach pain and constipation amongst kids. Nutrilite's Kids Chewable Iron provides 6 mg of iron from ferrous fumarate, an iron source which is readily absorbed by the body. You can take it along with Nutrilite Natural C for even better absorption. I hope you found this video informative. Every child is unique and their body requirement varies as per their activity levels and food habits. A child may have some conditions since birth or may be intolerant towards some food items. Or a child may have specific conditions like AHAD or respiratory issues or simply having a weakened immune system. Many of these can be improved and corrected in early stages of life through proper nutrition. So, if you have any specific queries, you can always WhatsApp me on my number given in the description box. Do subscribe to my channel Active Ash and press the bell icon to get notifications on my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and bye for now.